Alright, so the next big move on Tesla is about to happen. We are almost there. Tesla is still inside our trap zone between its key support and resistance levels. However, a breakout is imminent. This is a defining moment for Tesla, and the way it reacts here and now will probably dictate the next midterm trend. In this video, I will share my personal targets on Tesla depending on how it reacts after a breakout from this trap zone. First, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel, my dear friends. My name is Nathan. It is very nice to meet you guys. Let's analyze Tesla's price action, starting with the hourly chart. In the hourly chart, Tesla is still inside our trap zone, meaning we are still above the 21 EMA, which is working as a support level. We are still above this support level. However, we are still under the main resistance level, the main short-term resistance level at $123. Only if Tesla does a breakout to whatever direction, we might see something new, and in my personal opinion, the next movement is going to be quite explosive. Now, what if Tesla loses the 21 EMA over here? In my humble opinion, if we lose the 21 EMA, Tesla will re-engage the bearish sentiment we see in the daily chart, okay? Because we're gonna fail. We will fail in triggering, in breaking this resistance, just like Tesla did over here on December 2022, just like it did over here on November 2022, and here on September 2022. So this is a quite dramatic and critical situation that Tesla is in right now, but if we break this resistance, okay, I do believe we are going to reverse the trend in the midterm. So first, by doing a downwards breakout, what are the next targets on Tesla? Short-term speaking, I think we could easily retest the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement. I think we're going to ignore the 50% because we already retested the 38.2% over here on January 10 as a support level. And as you guys know, when this happens, when we respect the first retracement, if we ignore it afterwards, the 61, the last retracement, is going to work as our next technical support level. And this is quite interesting because the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement is at $110, which is our major support level in the weekly chart over here, which did work as a support level on September 2020 and did work as a support level last week again and 2 weeks ago as well. We could not close under the 110 over here in the weekly chart, meaning there are buyers in this area. People are buying over here below the 110. So it is quite curious to see the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement as our main support level in the short term on Tesla at 110. Alright, so what if we break the 110? What if we lose the 110? Then the bearish sentiment will resume in the mid/long term, and in this scenario, the next technical target is the $91. This is the next key support level to work with on Tesla. If Tesla triggers this trap zone, breaks this trap zone downwards. So this is why I'm telling you guys, the situation is quite dramatic on Tesla. Now, before I talk about an upwards breakout, remember, my dear friends, click on the like button to support this channel, subscribe to keep in touch with my daily analysis. Now, if we do an upwards breakout, I do believe the midterm trend will reverse and Tesla is going to seek the next resistance area, which is around the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement, is likely under the 140, or at least the 21 EMA at where is the 21 EMA? I'm so sorry guys, is at 130. Alright, so this area over here is going to work as our major resistance area. In my humble opinion, the 38.2% is a very good target to work with if Tesla breaks this resistance level in the hourly chart at 123. That would be a very good and meaningful bullish reversal structure, Nathan. No, the trend would still be bearish because Tesla would still be trading under the EMA over here, under its resistances. In order for Tesla to do a very strong, meaningful, good, bullish reversal structure, Tesla has to do this, right? Has to do a higher high, higher low. This is the only thing Tesla has to do in order to truly reverse the bearish sentiment on it. And it is funny because it is the only thing, like it was an easy thing to do, but guys, the sentiment is clearly bearish. It is not easy for Tesla since September 2022, nearly 4 months right now. So it is a very extremely strong bear trend. It is not going to be easy for Tesla to reverse this bearish sentiment. Therefore, I'm telling you guys, the first retracement, it is going to be our first target on Tesla if it does an upwards breakout of this trap zone. And this is it. This is as far as I can go right now, because I can't tell you guys, I can't promise anything over here on this channel, right? I'm just a retail trader. I'm just a guy sharing my thoughts here on YouTube. I'm not a pro, I'm not a guru, I'm not an expert over here, I'm just a guy. And in my humble opinion, Tesla is just a sell. And if Tesla does a crystal clear bearish top sign over here under this resistance, it is going to be an amazing sell sign on Tesla. So right now, I can't say that Tesla is an amazing, phenomenal buy. Just if you are a swing trader like me, you may take advantage of these movements, but long-term speaking, we don't see any crystal clear, meaningful, bullish reversal structure. Just a bottom sign on Tesla in the weekly chart. Which reminds me, guys, join the top 5% of traders that can actually make money while beating this market. We are literally the top 5%. I'm not kidding. My portfolio's performance is public. Check my website. The link is in the description of this video. Now, we see a bottom sign on Tesla in the weekly chart, which is quite good, and this reinforces the idea that it is going to bounce to higher levels. We just triggered a hammer candlestick pattern, and according to Bukovsky studies, a hammer candlestick pattern works as a bullish reversal candlestick pattern, I believe 60% of the time, and when triggered, it hits its technical target 88% of the time. What is this hammer's technical target, Nathan? You might be asking. Well, you must project the hammer's high in the direction of the breakout. And coincidence or not, the technical target for this hammer is around 138, 140 over here, around the 38.2% Fibonacci's retracement. So, in my humble opinion, everything here is speaking the same language. The multiple time frame analysis we just did on Tesla is speaking the same language. It all depends on how it is going to react after the breakout of this trap zone. Will it be upwards? Will it be downwards? We don't know. We don't need to know in order to trade well. Remember, trading is reactive. It is not predictive. There is no reason to be anxious in this market. Of course, I'm gonna keep you guys updated every single day on this channel, so it is about time for you to click on the like button and subscribe this channel to keep in touch with my daily analysis. I really appreciate your audience, my dear friends. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.